So let's say, for example, you wanted to look at a particular type of component inside your system, whether it's all of your workflows and all of their dependencies, or all of your workflow action scripts and all of their dependencies, or all of your saved searches and all of their dependencies. So I'll do that just as an example. So I'll hit search here, and you can filter by owner as well, or by bundle if you needed to. I hit submit here, and so all within NetSuite, this is now going to populate a search for me. I would be able to edit this the way that you would any other NetSuite search. I am searching for every search in my system, so bear with me as this processes, but this is a great way for you to get a view of a very large group of things all at the same time. So what this has now shown me here, and again, you can filter down if you needed to, but this is showing me every search you can see under type in my system, the name of them, the date last used for all of them, the script ID for them all, and then as you scroll over, you're able to see any dependencies in any of these other columns. So I'm going to see bundle information, data sources, forms, lists, scripts, workflows, dependencies, so on and so forth. And so you can see as I scroll down here that some of these are now starting to populate, right? And so you can see that there are scripts that are connected through, and a lot of these in our demo environment, you're seeing there are our own scripts, but that's the idea, right? You're able to see a very large group of things all in one place. You can export this, you can work with it, whatever you need to do, and it's these columns that are going to be populating with any of the dependencies that'll be there.